Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us. My name is Nicole with morningchores.com, and today we're sharing our top 5 tips for buying plants at your local greenhouse or nursery. It's that time of year where instead of heading off to the local shopping mall, you're heading to your local home improvement store, nursery, or greenhouse. I know that I get so inspired when I go to these places and I walk the aisles looking at all the flowers and plants, trying to plan my next project. In today's video, we're going to share our top 5 tips for shopping for plants at a local greenhouse or nursery so that next time you go, you can shop with more confidence and efficiency. Tip number 1 is finding a reputable company. You want to find a greenhouse or nursery that has high quality products and great customer service. If you're not sure where to go in your area, just ask the locals. Ask people that have lived there their entire lives. They more than likely know where the good places are. You can also ask at your child's school, ask maybe the other parents, ask at your church. Anywhere you go, the grocery store, I'm sure somebody will direct you in the right direction. You want to look for a wide variety. The greenhouse or nursery you're shopping at should have a large variety of perennials, annuals, plants like vegetable plants, herbs, flowers, trees, shrubs. They should have a good variety of each of these categories so that it can become your one-stop shop kind of a place. The third thing you want to look for is, are the plants healthy? So when you go to your first visit to the greenhouse or nursery, take a look around. Are the plants being well cared for? Are there enough employees going around watering, tending to the plants? Look at the plants themselves. Are they yellowing, wilty, dried out? This is a good determining factor of whether you plan on giving this place your business and whether you will be a returning customer. Customer service is always a huge selling point for me. When I go into a business, I want to know, are those employees excited to be at work? Are they passionate about what they do? And usually you can tell by how the employees treat you. So pay attention to this. When you first come in and you start wandering around, does somebody come up and ask if you need any help? Do they ask in a cheerful manner? Or if you approach an employee and say, "Excuse me, I need some help with something," are they happy to help you? Are they knowledgeable about the plants themselves? Maybe you go in and you want a house plant for your living room, but your living room only gets partial sunlight. Can they direct you to the plant that you need for that space? The last thing you can check for in this area is, how was your overall experience? If you enjoyed your experience in the greenhouse or nursery and you had good interaction with the employees, then 9 times out of 10, they're passionate about what they're doing and they care very much about their customers. And the last tip for today, something that you should check out when you go to your greenhouse or nursery is, are they well stocked in other gardening products? It's fine to go there to buy plants like flowers and vegetables and herbs, but do they have soil? Do they have dirt? Do they have gardening tools? Do they have fertilizers? All of these things are things that you may need, especially if you're planting and you don't want to have to stop at another store to get these things in order to get your flowers home and get them planted. So take a look around at their other inventory. What else do they have besides plants? Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope you found it encouraging and it inspires you to go out in your community and try to find the best greenhouse and nursery in your area. You can also follow us at morningchores.com, where you'll find all kinds of information on gardening, homesteading, DIY, and much, much more. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.